So you've caught the crypto bug, huh? You've got a bit of cash tucked away, and the allure of Bitcoin has been whispering sweet nothings in your ear. Maybe you've even heard those legendary tales of Dogecoin millionaires floating around the internet. Of course, those folks who got in on Bitcoin 10 years ago. Well, let's just say they're not hurting for cash. Welcome aboard the crypto roller coaster, where the only constant is change, and the ride is wilder than a rodeo on Mars. Strap in tight, because we're about to plunge into the exhilarating world of cryptocurrencies, armed with humor, a touch of darkness, and a lot of grit. First off, let's dispense with the notion that crypto investing is a walk in the park. It's more like a blindfolded maze run with flaming torches and an occasional swarm of angry bees. But hey, who said investing was supposed to be a leisurely stroll? Crypto Investing 101. Let's start with the basics. Begin by grasping the fundamental concepts. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography. They operate on decentralized networks known as blockchains, facilitating peer-to-peer transactions sans intermediaries. Exploring blockchain technology. Delve into the mechanics of blockchains. These distributed ledgers record transactions across a network of computers. 1. Each block contains a set of transactions, forming an immutable chain. 2. Exploring different cryptocurrencies. Navigate the vast landscape of cryptos, each with its unique features. Here are a few notable ones. Bitcoin, BTC, dubbed digital gold, it pioneered the crypto space and remains the most renowned. Ethereum, ETH. Beyond currency, Ethereum powers smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Ripple, XRP, primarily utilized for cross-border payments. Cardano, ADA, renowned for its focus on scalability and sustainability. Binance Coin, BNB, integral to the Binance Exchange ecosystem. Dive into white papers. Explore the white papers of specific cryptocurrencies. 3. These documents elucidate the technology, purpose, and vision behind each project, offering valuable insights. As you embark on your crypto investment journey, it's crucial to assess and manage risks effectively. Here's how. 1. Volatility. Brace yourself for the roller coaster ride. 1. Cryptos can experience extreme price fluctuations within hours, offering high rewards but equally high risks. Market sentiment. Stay attuned to market sentiment. 2. News, social media trends, and regulatory developments can significantly impact crypto prices, influencing your investment decisions. 3. Beware of scams. Navigate the treacherous waters of scams and fraud. 3. Be vigilant against fraudulent schemes and phishing attempts, sticking to reputable sources for information and transactions. 4. Long-term versus short-term. Define your investment horizon. 4. Decide whether you're in it for the long haul or aiming for short-term gains. 4. Long-term investors often weather market cycles with steadfast determination. 5. Choose wisely. Not all exchanges are created equal. 5. Do your homework, pick a reputable platform, and avoid shady back alleys like the plague. 6. Lock it up. When it comes to wallets, security is king. 6. Opt for cold wallets to keep your precious crypto safe from digital marauders. 7. Consider network effects. Factor in the network effects. The more widespread adoption a crypto enjoys, the stronger its network becomes, potentially enhancing its long-term viability. Choose a reputable exchange and wallet. Exchange selection. Research exchanges. Start by researching cryptocurrency exchanges. Look for well-established platforms with a good reputation. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, known for its user-friendly interface and regulatory compliance. Binance offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and features. Kraken, known for security and robust trading options. Bitstamp, one of the oldest exchanges. Security measures. Consider the security measures implemented by the exchange. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. Cold storage. Exchanges that store most funds offline in cold wallets are safer. Insurance. Some exchanges offer insurance against hacks or losses. User experience. Choose an exchange that aligns with your preferences. Some cater to beginners, while others target professional traders. Wallet security. Hot wallets versus cold wallets. Hot wallets. These are online wallets connected to the internet. They are convenient for frequent transactions, but riskier due to potential hacks. Cold wallets. Hardware wallets, like Ledger Nano X, are cold wallets. They store your private keys offline, providing better security. Private keys. Understand the importance of private keys. Whoever controls the private key has control over the associated crypto. Backup and recovery. Always back up your wallet and store recovery phrases securely. Start small and gradually increase exposure. Initial investment. Begin with a small amount. Test the waters and get comfortable with the process. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Instead of timing the market, consider DCA. Invest a fixed amount regularly, weekly or monthly. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't rush into large investments due to fear of missing out. Patience pays off. Stay informed. Keep learning about security practices, new exchanges, and wallet options. The crypto landscape evolves rapidly. So there you have it, folks. Crypto Investing 101. Remember, your choice of exchange and wallet significantly impacts your crypto journey. Strap yourselves in because this roller coaster ride is just getting started. And remember, in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold, but it also rewards the patient. Happy investing, and may the gains be ever in your favor.